Today with Tea Time with Tyrone.
Tea Time with Tyrone. So we have this actuator for a door lock for this little Audi TT.
2002 MK1 body.
Okay, so what we would do, I'm able to recreate what's happening every time. So what we did was we would lock the door, and right here, this little motor inside here.
All right, hold on, time, back up. What's the problem is?
The problem is after locking, it won't unlock.
Right, unlock and it won't open.
And it won't open the doors.
Right.
Yes. Passenger side.
And it, with the inside would unlock it, it just wouldn't actually open the latch.
The inside was way harder for it to open. The outside nowadays, today was easier to open. So
and we noticed when we hit it on the side of the panel, we would hit it right here, and it would all of a sudden magically work.
Yep. So what happened is that we would lock it, we'd unlock it. So I'll show you, when you lock the car, this will actuate out, and it's under spring tension, so it should be working, right? So this is locked, which means that I cannot get this latch to actually engage. Here, let me get this on there. So door's closed, and now we're trying to lock it. See how when the latch actually closes on that bar inside the door, this gets chalked up. So I can't open the car unless we hit the side of the thing and it slides in. It's crazy.
So that missed the first time. Show it again.
Yeah, see? Now the door just closed. Pretend the door just closed.
And it's locked.
And it's locked.
This is what was happening.
It would skip that track.
Because this guy right here isn't fully moving forward.
That tooth is what pulls this little lock to open the door latch.
So show what when we hit the side of the door.
Hit the door, we would hit it.
There
and
you go.
It would work. So, tea time with Tyrone.
Alright, so you did what to fix this thing?
Alright, what I did was I took out the spring right here, this spring, and I stretched it out so that it gave it a little bit more oomph. And it still sticks there.
You increase the K constant of the spring.
Yeah, it still sticks there. This is your outdoor handle, but the moment you set it back, it will actuate the lock, or actuate the door handle. Same thing as your inside lock. See, I mean, you
so
touch
we
it
also
on
cleaned
accident.
that black piece, right?
Yeah.
Black piece came all the way out.
Yeah, that came all the way out, greased it up.
Well, see how it works. Alright, lock it. Unlock. Okay.
So,
This has been For Real Tea Time with Tyrone.